Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Mazda CX-8 Osaki, stock reference number 4631. This shape runs from the 5th month 2018 and is the current shape. It has a 2.2 litre SH 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left front with the right hand fog light LED type. This vehicle is fitted with 19-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror, camera type. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With a left-hand tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has one small dent, sold with camera. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror, also camera type. And a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, 3-zone heater controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.